What's up, Kyle?
Meet me in the smoke again.
You got my phone for me?
Everybody cloud.
Yeah.
Don't move, Dre. Go back up.
Go, babe.
I know I'd be on your ass aggravated as fuck. Come on.
I'm already knowing.
Hold it! You turn him around. Wrong. Facts. Remember.
Read the play and make a move, alright? Do not get caught and somebody run right past you, alright? Read everything. Just because you don't have a receiver don't mean that it ain't not coming your way. Hey, same shit, alright?
Bell.
Yup, though.
Yeah. Already. Shit big and soft.
You seen anybody yet?
Shit big and soft, boy. Jordan, watch out.
I want to go. Can I go? Can I go before you run me? Thank you.
No.
Please? Okay. You're like, you're the greatest.
I'm already knowing. Ooh.
Yeah, getting in my seat.
Big and soft, boy.
Black who's happy. God damn, cold. Somebody could be over the center. Hey, Russ, somebody could be over the center. Okay, I mean, all year they said we couldn't. That's why only 6 you. I would have known that would have been for somebody over the center. Only 6 you. Hey, Megatron! Megatron! Isaiah, go up. Hey, go to tight end. Go to tight end. Romeo, go to receiver. Tight end, go to receiver. Stay back there by yourself. Fake heel, 99 to 9.
He don't got a safety on top of me. I know he don't got a safety on top of me.
Hey, let's go! It's 3 linemen. Troops left.
Go. You want to do it? No, he don't.
No.
Quarterback Green on Mexico.
Get the fuck out the field!
Hey, on me.
Take it easy.
Hey, get in the front of him.
Hey, we go back out there?
Hey, listen. Hey, I'm gonna tell y'all this. I see a lot of people who didn't get in the game with y'all head now. Hey, look, this ain't that, bro. This ain't that. When your number called, be ready. All right?
Y'all know what this is.
It's called situation football. Situation football. All right?
Motherfucking football game. You look like a fucking quarterback.
Situation football.
You got to score again. Hey, huddle. Huddle.
Hey, put this shit up on the home track.
Hell yeah. Try to be my dad.
Hell no.
Sorry, dude. Why don't you do it like I said, son?
Hey, no, it's
Hey! Number 19.
Let's go! Let's go! Messiah ain't blocked no damn body.
You ain't blocked nobody! Hey! Give me somebody for Messiah. Jordan.
Huddle, give me huddle.
Quarterback. Hey, Megatron!
No. Take it. Go to receive. Outside wide.
Ready! Go!
Give the ball to Duval. Go up. Todd! Hey, fat!
Go off real quick. No, to go off real quick. Hey, we doing it again. Trips level 299. Trips level 299. Same play you scored on, right?
Hey, 13, Tony P. Cole. Hey, DJ.
Hey, we're going double slow. Want to bat to you. Ready? No, you a tight end. On this side. Let's go.
Ready!
Let's go.
Go! Strike a fucking ball! Damn!
Get ready. Hey, the nigga want ready.
Come here. If it's Tim, don't check chip that. Don't we go down. Right, go down.
Oh, we're going up there, cause we good. Hey, my bad,
Hey, listen. Double slow. That means 5 down line. DJ, you got to come in.
Yeah, I did. Go, who's first?
You want me and catch the double? So you make a big ass ball? Yeah.
No, go to that line. Hey. Yo, this slide up. Slide up the field. Let's go.
Ready! Go!
Hey, Romeo, you should get my
Hey! Huddle, give me huddle.
Stop standing around.
And stop standing around, cuz he had to cut back. Tighten up, bro. Come on. We was
Cam! Hey, Todd!
Get your ass down. Come on.
Romeo.
Take the hit and get it out the way. You don't weigh yourself out.
Get out that shit now.
Right, ready to come back in.
Good job. Good job.
Good.
You get number 2 right, cuz. You nigga touching these.
You getting 2G. Keep your breath. Keep your fucking breath.
First down. First down. All the way.
Y'all, you mic'd up, ain't it? Yeah, it fell out. It fell out. It's still on the field? Oh, it's right here. Okay, then.
You're a little more faithful. You see holes, you take that out that shit.
Still on, so. Okay, it's recorded. You still, you want to put it on? You can put it on that bit. That shit probably gonna fall again. Let me see something. I got you. There you go. All right.
Yeah, we already did halftime.
We score right here, we win. Fuck.
Y'all ain't protecting my baby.
Shit. Slide, Megatron! Oh yeah! Go boy! Go boy! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh my God, boy!
Slide in the back.
That shit was stupid.
God, DJ dumb ass, dawg. DJ ass, bro. Bro, what the fuck wrong with this dumb ass nigga, dawg? Oh my God! This nigga DJ! Oh my God! Bruh. God, this nigga DJ, dawg. DJ, 14. Man, this nigga DJ, dawg. DJ. Oh. He's. What is that? God, DJ! Them guys, boy!
Quarterback tail on back.
I'm off.
Yeah, you up.
Huh? God, I know you seen fuck nigga holding me, though. Fly fat!
You good.
Right. Ready! Go! Oh yeah. Rough.
It's cool here. They ain't got nobody on this side.
I know, I'm coming over there. Chill. What do you know? Hold on.
How you do today? Who y'all playing?
You do it this time, brain fat in motion.
All right.
Brain fat in motion. Let's do that.
You had tackles? What was the score? Ooh, 27-0. What you
Ready?
What's up?
What did you do today?
Go. Go. Face mask, go. Go. I ain't bringing them emotion.
It's all right, don't bring it. Let's just throw it out. Throw it out. Go back.
Ready? Go. Hey, boy, you stop this look. Hey, that's all.
Let's go.
Ready? Go. All right. How many is that? How many that is, Romeo? How many that is? Hey, coach.
Shit, baby.
It's hard now. One right here.
Oh yeah. Put on your helmet. See that?
Good. Light work. Okay.
Put on your helmet.
Listen, you won't throw out no more.
That was it. Do not cook. This is number 2 at 13.
What's under here?
Oh, hell no. This feel like Nationals all over again, bro. But these niggas don't make me tired. I'm not tired.
We got a second half, though. They may come back.
But I ain't get tired yet. I'm on this side.
Hurry up! DJ, what's up?
Let's go! All the mama left out here. Walk around any type. Hey, Will, if you get any money, let them know. Hey, y'all looking real good. Shout out to the mamas.
Come on! This one's so fast, though!
Got a hair tied up. Listen, Luke.
Go in the center, go in the center. Go in the center. Aqua.
No, it's not. Oh.
Tell me out.
Saying first D, man, you gotta listen.
He talking about get on my field. He talking about get on my field. In what? Third? In third? In fourth? Oh yeah! Oh my God! Oh yeah! Romeo! Okay. Oh my God! You doing this shit! Oh God! Oh my God! Hit that shit home, boy! Hit that shit home! Bob! Get on the field! Get off the field! Get off the field! I'm tired as fuck. I'm tired. He got it right here. Ball. I'm tired. First and goal. Let's go. Oh my God! That's it, go! Oh! Oh my God! Say that shit home! Oh my God! Oh my God! Say that shit home! That shit sweet. That shit big and soft. Wait. Hey, boy. Good game. Good game, boys. Good game, boy. Good game. Oh, yeah, baby.
That's what you want to say? You on the mic? Okay, hold on. Don't get too reckless now. Hold on, say what you want to say on the mic. Hey, yo!
I got 2 hands. 2 bad. Knock MOT shit loose. Knock MOT shit loose. Knock MOT shit loose.